Hey, Derek, what's going on, man? No, you're no bother to me. I'm here to help you. What's going on? Okay. Well, sounds like the pump's not priming, so why don't you walk me through what you've done? Okay.
Hey everyone, I'm Eric and I own Chlorine King Pool Service here in Seminole, Florida. I'd like to thank you for your interest in becoming a patron. My ultimate goal from the very beginning was to raise the standard of our industry that I love. I'm here to help you lay the foundation for your business to grow it to its fullest potential, help you breed quality employees, and provide the highest level of customer satisfaction. These are the values that have allowed me to grow my business beyond my wildest dreams. I will tell you right now, my coaching is not for everyone. If you want to carve the path to financial freedom, run a successful pool business, have quality tech support while you're out in the field, all while having a coach with you every step of the way, then I'm your coach. Let me help you. I have a bachelor's in business management, a bachelor's in business marketing, and a minor in economics. I also have several years of in-field pool service and repair experience. Also, the honor of being named one of the top 50 pool service companies in the entire nation just proves that my business practices are successful and effective. Now, there's a huge difference between a pool guy with a business and a business person that owns a pool company. Which one do you want to be? I have several different tiers that dictate the level of my accessibility to you. Also, each tier is stuffed with discounts from quality affiliates that I use and trust every single day to ensure that you're saving money while improving the efficiency of your business at the same time. The patron spots on each tier are limited in order to keep my attention to you at its fullest because I want to be available for you in your moment of need. Once they fill up, that's it. And I can sit here and tell you all day long how I can help you, but I'd rather have real business owners tell you how I've helped them. Feel free to look them up. These are businesses that I've personally coached, helped develop, and now thriving in the industry. Take a look.
So we found Eric with Chlorine King on YouTube and immediately realized the impact that he had in the industry and really enjoyed his content as well as his overall business model. After seeing all these things and discussing with my wife, we decided to reach out to Eric via email and as well as meet up in person. After meeting with Eric, we knew almost instantly that this is definitely something that we'd like to research further and start our journey into the pool service industry.
Yeah, definitely genuine. What you see on YouTube and all the social media platforms and everything, his website, that's Eric. Like, he's just a really good guy. Feels like family, easy to talk to. He made the whole meeting just easy. There was nothing scripted about it. It was just, we had questions, he'd answer them honestly. He honestly gave us way more information, than we ever thought he would, just out of a genuine kindness and him wanting to see this industry thrive. So
yeah, I highly recommend using Eric and taking any type of advice or any of his coaching that he offers, as it's really a great way to jumpstart your business. It'll set you apart from the competition and really just make you a better overall businessman and pool professional.
Definitely. I know that from working individually with Eric, at first you did all the main communication with him, I would say. Then of course we met with him and hit it off and everything, but even as a woman, as a wife, a mother, I'm able to, pick up my phone and contact Eric, and he's just as helpful to me as he is with Derek. And I'm more the admin side and, getting all that nitty-gritty stuff figured out and ready for our company. And Eric's just as helpful with that to me as he is with
The field
the
stuff.
field stuff.
Yeah, the technical side.
So it's like it's a whole package. You know, usually
Absolutely.
you have somebody that's like really good at the the office stuff, finance, invoicing, administrative, and
It's
then
usually one or the other.
one or the other.
Yeah.
Eric's literally the entire package.
Absolutely.
Everything.
Absolutely.
So it's made our whole journey of getting our business set up a lot easier, a lot smoother, and we just have a lot more confidence having Eric as a mentor.
Absolutely. Overall communication with Eric is very easy. You know, I can get a hold of him via text, email, phone call, FaceTime, whatever it may be, and Eric will instantly stop what he's doing and help me for whatever the situation may be.
Yeah, definitely.
We've been completely just overly impressed with how quickly he gets back to us, responds, and you know, really cares about our business and seeing it flourish.
Yep, genuine.
Very genuine. Yeah,
Eric-
one way to describe Eric would be genuine.
Genuine.
For sure.
Hey, what's up, everyone? If you are looking to start a pool servicing company and you're trying to get into that industry and you have the opportunity to work with Eric from Chlorine King Pools, I highly recommend that, and I highly want to just push you over that cliff and say, do it. You can't go wrong. When I first decided to start this company, I had no idea how much it cost. I had no idea what was associated with it. I really had no idea of anything. Randomly, I ended up texting a person I found on Craigslist who was selling an account. That person happened to be Eric from Chlorine King Pools, and literally from day one, he opened his arms, his doors, his business, his everything to me and said, here, this is how I did it, and I want you to go ahead and replicate this. So from that is where Civic's Pool Service started, and within, I want to say, 6 months, we were able to operate, debt-free, and literally just it changed my entire life. I honestly would not be here if it wasn't for Eric. He allowed, he gave me full insight, and he pretty much laid out the successful path and just told me to follow what I do, do this step, do that, do this, buy that. He literally gave me a breakdown of everything that I needed to launch the business and to succeed it. Civic's Pool Service has been open for about 2.5 years now, actually coming on 3, and we are just getting better and better. We're learning, and to this day, I talk to Eric, and he, gives me pointers, and and I'm constantly learning from him. So if you are looking to get into this industry, I highly recommend talking to Eric. Use his services. You can't go wrong. It is a lot of hard work, but you know what? It's worth it. And having a mentor like him around to kind of guide you is just gonna change the game for you. So I highly recommend it. If you are looking to do this, talk to Eric. It's the only way. And for me and my family, I personally just want to say thank you, Eric, for everything that you've done and for sharing the successful path on how to successfully launch and really kill a pool servicing business.
I want to take a minute and say thank you to Eric Taylor from Chlorine King. He's helped me get my business off the ground and get it sort of rooted properly like it's supposed to be, following some just basic simple guidelines, having your truck lettered properly or wrapped, whatever you want to do, wearing a uniform, being professional, answering the phone the right way, all that good stuff. All those things really helped me to get my business off the ground and started. And then as time went on, I kind of leaned on Eric more and more for help with situations that would arise with clients. Sometimes things don't go the way we want them to go. So what will happen is the client will say, oh, I want you to do this for me. And you're like, well, but I'm not doing that, because why would I do that? I mean, that's not going to really be good for my business. So I would always call Eric and be like, look, man, what do I do? The customer wants me to do this, and I want to do this, and I want to make them happy, but I don't want to be, causing a issue with a bad review or them being upset and quitting or whatever the case is. So I would always call Eric in those difficult times, and that's really where I think the help I've gotten from him has really made a difference over the years, in just calling and saying, hey, I have this situation, and the customer wants this, I want this, what do you think I should do? He most of the time will tell me what do you think you should do? And I say, yeah, I should eat it. Or yeah, I should, do the thing that makes me uncomfortable to do. And I end up doing that, and the customer's happy, everything's good. But without Eric's guidance, I would be in a much different place. From the beginning till now, now we have a license, we do repairs, remodels, we do service, we do some vacation rentals, stuff like that, inspections, all kinds of stuff. And when I first met Eric, we were just doing service, just cleaning pools and, just making little bits of money here and there. But now we're licensed, we have everything in line, and Eric's responsible for all that. So I just want to say thanks. Thank you, Eric, for everything. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
So I just thought that I would make a quick little video while I'm waiting for my pool to fill up back there. So I just wanted to introduce myself real quick. My name is Andrea, and I started my own pool company, service company, in January of this year, 2019. And I just wanted to thank Eric Taylor. He has done nothing but help me. I've called him in a panic several times, and he's always willing to help and always has the best answers, and has given me the most reliable help. So I just wanted to say thank you to Eric, and happy launch.
Hey, Will Taylor with Biggest Little Pools. I'm just sitting here relaxing, and I want to give a shout out to Eric with the Chlorine King Pool Services, because I'm able to relax a little more than I normally probably would, because over the last 6 months I've really been increasing the prices that I've been charging for regular pool service. I normally was, in that race for the bottom mentality that a lot of people get into when they first get in the pool business, and he helped me change my thinking. And instead of going for the $80 pools and settling for less, now I'm changing my thought process, charging a lot more, and have a lot more free time than I probably normally would. A lot less hustle. I don't mind the hustle, but work smarter, not harder. So thanks, Eric. You guys rock.
Hey, this is Chris with Pool Guardians. Just letting you know that working with Eric has been very good for my business. He's helped my business grow in 3 different ways. He's helped me with repairs when I come across those, and he's always been able to do those. He's also helped me when I've had questions that come up while I'm servicing a pool. I've called and texted him while I'm there, and he's also given me referrals. So all in all, he's a great guy to work with, and I really appreciate everything he's done to help my business grow.
A key component to raising the bar and delivering a high standard is networking with our peers and finding a mentor or coach. One of the things I really appreciate about our industry is the amount of information available online to help you learn and grow your business. There's so many social media based groups full of fellow professionals with the same goal in mind, raising the bar. For me, one of the most influential networking partners has come in the form of Eric, the Chlorine King Taylor. A quick Google search and you will literally find gigabytes of material that Eric has produced to help us all grow and serve our communities at a higher level. He has everything from detailed how-to videos, product reviews, and even some content on the ins and outs of running a business and how that affects your personal life. I've actually met Eric in person, and he's the real deal. Just an all-around great guy, and he's serious about his business and the growth in our industry as a whole. And it's very clear he shares my goal in raising the bar. One of the key messages that Eric sounds off on frequently is confidence and respecting yourself and knowing your worth. This has helped me tremendously with my success in a very short amount of time. Particularly through the rough patches that will happen now and again as you continue to grow. So thank you, Eric. You're very appreciated for your generosity and continued motivation. I look forward to the coming years and all the growth we experience together. So I encourage all of you to get in touch with Eric and join his coaching forum. I'll be there. You won't regret it. Look forward to meeting you. Cheers.
So, what are you waiting for? Head over to patreon.com/Chlorine King and grow your business today. I can't wait to see the mark you make in the pool industry.